The brothers and my sisters, I want to adore this on a beautiful sister, Laminatu Sanko, the one and only, the original, no duplicate. Any other Laminatu na a carbon copy, just a quick one. This na for the party they will like for join pancakes, barakes. Then party they will like for thief then company and party them. This na for them. You, my sister, where they look at me, you, my brother, where they look at me. If you get person, you get problem within your party, no mix it. If you're not able to make peace, not join inside it for add fire. Because guess what? At the end of the day, especially that party, where we don't date together for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, that relationship there. It can ask for make it well. So at the beguna in the name of God. Wuna when left for go middle party them. Wuna yeri party them get problem. Before una come out and make peace, una de go and twin. Una de go and twin. Una de go and twin. Una de glad. God not like that. If you not able to make peace, no add fire. No add fire. Be very, very neutral. Now this they make nowadays. This not they talk to this person. This not they talk to this person. This not they talk to this person. Because why? Because you and Laminatu Sanko are body. Because you and Laminatu Sanko are best friend. Then Laminatu Sanko can happen and say, you know they talk to Musu. Then Yusuf can join inside it. That makes you a fool and a follower. Because at the end of the day, when Laminatu and Musu then go make peace, how you go there? And when I forget for say Laminatu so say and Musu then party done there for over 2-3 years. If Satan come, then can come back together. If you don't can join inside it. Because Laminatu na you own body. You don't malice Musu na say Laminatu and Musu they know they talk. So me say about the malice Musu, my dear, you are nothing but a follower. Because when Laminatu and Musu then go talk, you go look like a fool. You go look like a puppet. So at the big one, my sisters and my brothers thing. If you get your friend, in order to talk to your friend, if you're not able to make peace, don't be part of it. Especially that party where them be don't date for 2-3 years. Guess what? It's not easy for make it die out. Especially if true love been there. They let them safe. And not they die easily. So nobody waste your time. Say you they go inside there, you they go join, you they begin put set fire. You come here, you talk here. You come here, you talk here. You come here, you talk here. At the end of the day, when they party them there, they go make peace. John and Paul, they know they party for over 2-3 years. They can't get confusion. Because John now you party. You take Okulapa, you popo John. You join inside there now. You know they talk to Paul. You see Paul now. You know they talk to him. That means that you don't be a follower. What Johnny and Paul then get for make peace, you go look like a fool. You go look like a puppet. So my sisters and my brothers are the beguna in the name of God. When I hear people they know they talk, friends then they know they talk, they get problem. If we are not able to make peace, we are not join inside. We are not join inside. Come here, talk here. Come here, talk here. Come here, talk here. No. If we are not able to make peace, we are stay neutral. Because one thing in life, when me Laminatu Sanko, where I know where I don't did this dunya for 53 years, where I know that party where don't they trade for 2-3 years. Trust me, if they get plaba, sometimes I 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 1 month, 2 months, then they can't go back. So let we left for the join inside people and faith. Case one not so we on case, let we left for the buyer. That the one they make enmity don't plenty. Who cannot they talk to Laminatu? Laminatu not they talk to Jane. Jane not they talk to Marie not they talk to Suzanne not they talk. No. Where you party in company, then get problem. No mixly. Stay neutral. Don't be a follower, be a leader. Because guess what? At the end of the day, they will go for make party back. And I mean say, because Johnny and Paul, they don't fall out. That means say Johnny and Paul, they don't go for talk again. Say next word, say they die. It's not possible. It's not possible. So we will look for barakis. We will look for pork with no slim. Inside people they talk. Where party then get problem. With the way inside they, we get for be careful. Because at the end of the day, especially if Lamina to be like Susan, Lamina to be honest with Susan. If John be like Paul, John be honest with Paul. Trust me, whatever confusion where they get, then go settle la one day. Then go settle la one day. Then me and you, we don't join inside it. Instead of we come out and say, no, we make peace. But we did we instigate. We instigate. When they go talk, how we go look? We go look like yo-yo. We go look like fools. We go look like followers. So at the beguna in the name of God, you, my sister, where they look me. You, my brother, where they look me. When you hear say, party, they get problem. No, so don't you they celebrate. You they gladdy. And one thing I want for me to know is that party where they be doing the party trade. They love themselves. Confusion come. Hey, then they feel like ya. If Lamina today now, here Susanna tight party, then they can't get problem. When I feel say, if Lamina to be honest with Suzanne, elect Suzanne with all in heart, and Suzanne said be elect Lamina to with all in heart, John be elect Paul with all in heart, Paul said be elect John with all in heart. When I feel say they know they feel in the quiet moment, then they miss their friends thing. So the time we go come where they were ready for make peace, me and you and you and you and you, we not go there. We not go there when they make peace. Because what you do, they may love each other. And when the love is genuine, between friends, when they get problem, they go solve that problem they amicably. Who say me and you and you and you, we not go there. So my brothers and my sisters are the big one in the name of God. Where una see party then get problem. If una not able to make peace, una not join you. Tomorrow una go look funny. Especially if the party they love themselves. If the party they love themselves. So say a gas station I the limits. God say yeah, una go make peace today. Then we went to the Congo Sawande. We don't join inside there. How we go look like? What una see party them get problem. Una left for the password between them. And I swear say, and I swear say, and I swear say, and I swear say. You know fine. Stay neutral. If you never make peace, stay neutral. No mix day. Because guess what? When they get for make peace one day. Now you they turn like yo-yo. Now you then go begin to discuss what. You know what he been telling me? Hey, you know what he been telling me? Hey, you know what he been telling me? Now that's the old thing they come on do. That's when now you they look like fool. So when party then get problem, if you able for make peace, no join inside there. No join inside there. Don't be part of it. Pray for them. Talk to them. Make them cancel. Especially that party will be done there for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Then get something. So for we the Congo Sawande, now we get this video. We wanna see party then get problem. Now we left for the go inside with the mix. With the pull too much energy. Wanna feel free for share this video. This is on a beautiful sister, Laminatu Sanko, the one and only, the original, no duplicates. Any other Laminatu, na a carbon copy. I love you guys. Mwah.